Welcome to our channel. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to join Disney Plus and start streaming your favorite shows and movies filled with magic and wonder. Follow these easy steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Disney Plus website or download the app. The first step to joining Disney Plus is to either visit the official Disney Plus website at www.disneyplus.com or download the Disney Plus app from your device's app store. The app is available on various platforms, including iOS, Android, Amazon Fire TV, Roku, and game consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. Step 2. Click on Sign Up Now. Once you're on the website or the app, look for the Sign Up Now button. Click on it to start the registration process. Step 3. Choose your subscription plan. Disney Plus offers different subscription options. Select the plan that best suits your needs. You can choose from a monthly plan or an annual plan for potential savings. Review the details and click Continue to proceed. Step 4. Create your Disney Plus account. Now it's time to enter your email address and create a password for your Disney Plus account. Make sure to choose a strong password for security. Confirm your password and click Continue. Step 5. Enter payment information. To finalize your subscription, you'll need to enter your payment details. You can opt to pay via credit debit card or through compatible payment services like PayPal. Fill in the necessary information and click Continue. Step 6. Review and confirm your subscription. Before completing the process, review your subscription details. Make sure everything is correct, including your payment method and chosen plan. Once you're satisfied, click on Start Membership or Confirm to complete your sign-up. Step 7. Explore Disney Plus content. Congratulations! You are now a Disney Plus member. You can browse through a vast library of content, including classic Disney films, Pixar movies, Marvel series, Star Wars, National Geographic, and much more. Start streaming right away. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to keep up with more helpful content like this. Happy streaming!